YoungOdette here, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super awesome, wonderful. Well, thank you for watching, thank you for clicking on this video, and thank you for spending a little time with me while we do this haul today. We are going to be hauling some beauty things for you guys, and I haven't done a beauty haul in forever on my channel because I don't usually do a lot of videos anymore. I just upload what I feel like uploading, like this video today. And I know I got quite a few DMs from people saying, "Hi, Odette, I'm not seeing your videos," and this and that. And I'm thinking, you don't even watch my videos, so why the hell are you asking? But anyways, I'm not really doing a lot. But, you know, I'm just going to share what I want to share because I'm so busy doing other things. So we are going to start this haul today with this powder from MAC. This is NW43. I am in between shades when it comes to MAC powders. So this is NW43. NW47, and this is NW44, and all three shades fit me. So NW44 is a little bit warmer shade, and I think this is a really good shade for me. I think it goes pretty well with the NW, I think it's 44 foundation. It's a really good match. But this is not what we're talking about today. I'm just showing you guys that are in between shades. So this is the NW43 powder. Again, this is from MAC, of course. And lovely powder. Really nice. It has a little bit more of a reddish undertone, but I do like it. Great for summer. Great for springtime. Great for any time of the year. Let's do some on the forehead. It's a really lovely powder, matches my skin pretty well. So this is new to my collection. Again, it's NW43 from MAC. And so I picked up a few things from Sephora. First of all, guys, this Sephora has just opened up in my neck of the woods, and I think it's such a bad idea because either I'm going to be late for work or not have any money. So I'm trying really hard to not focus. When I'm trying to get to my location, I just close my eyes and just walk by Sephora. Anywho, so I picked up the Fenty Skin. You guys heard me talk about the Fenty skincare, and I'm gonna tell you guys something. One of the best skincare products you can put on your face. This is the cleanser, and let me tell you something about this cleanser. When you have those pimples that are just popping up all over your face and you want those pimples to disappear next day or probably 2 days max, you need this cleanser. You need the whole kit, okay? That's why I picked this one up. This is the Total Cleanser from Fenty Skin. And this is the moisturizer, because this moisturizer is just amazing. My God, I'm telling you again, guys, you will not find a better moisturizer. So you do have the empty thingy right here, but it also comes, hang on, I think this is just the box that's in here. Really lovely packaging. Just give it to Miss Riri for her packaging. Okay, you just put that in there, and then it's ready to use. This is the moisturizer. This is the cleanser. And you do need the fat water, which is the moisturizer. If you don't use these things on your skin, something is definitely wrong with you. You guys, you have to try these Fenty skincare. It is amazing. You would not regret this buy. Yes, it's a little bit pricey, but you are going to see great results using the 3 steps from this Fenty skin line. Trust me, you will. And the next from Sephora, I do have this Morphe 18V palette. Love the packaging, nice and pink, as you guys can see, 18V. I haven't purchased an eyeshadow palette in probably 2 years or maybe more, because I really wasn't doing a lot of makeup and all of that stuff. Plus with the pandemic, a lot of people were not buying eyeshadow palettes, and this is the first palette I've actually purchased in about 2 years. And I love the palette. It's the 18V Vava Bloom palette. Love it. Love the packaging, guys. Okay, it came in this beautiful pink box and just a little case on top. I mean, look at that. Look at the packaging, guys. Vava Bloom, beautiful, beautiful palette. Love it. And this is from Morphe, the 18V palette. Let me just show you the colors. And oh my holy God. Oops, I'm just tossing things all over the place. Let me just try to hide the mirror from you guys. Look at the colors. Oh, holy smoke. The colors are so pretty. Are you guys seeing that? Very, very, very nice. I mean, the name of the colors are actually not on the palette, but I love the beautiful soft pinks in here. You do have a very dark color to the end, and the names are actually not anywhere on the package, but I mean, that's okay. But you got a beautiful, nice, warm transition color there, which is really lovely. I absolutely love this palette. It's called Vava Bloom, and again from Morphe, and this is an 18V palette. Great for the summertime, great for Valentine's, great for those warm makeup looks that we all love to do. And I just got a couple more things from Sephora, but in the bag there are all kinds of samples which they usually give you. So I picked up a lip gloss. I'm going to leave the name of this in the description box for you guys. Let's just see if I can do a little sample on my hand. Yeah, just like so. Just hope you guys can see that. Just right there, it's just a lip gloss. Very, very pretty. Very, very soft, like a lovely warm pink shade. Very nice. And this is a Sephora brand, and again, the name of this one is going to be down below, also this one as well. Again, from Sephora, very nice. This is more of a peachy color, and this one is a little bit more of a pinky rose, like a mauvey color as well. But let me just put a little bit of this on my hand and just see what this one looks like. Oh, not too bad. Hope you guys can see, not too bad. A little bit more of a orange undertone, which is not bad. That's absolutely lovely. And yeah, these are all the things that I got from Sephora. I really, really love this palette, guys, and I'm going to be definitely doing a look with this palette for you guys. And I love the packaging. Let me just put the plastic back on top. Yeah, my makeup still looks good. Yeah. Anywho, this is it right here. Really, really, really lovely. And I'm going to leave these things in the description box for you guys, so you would know exactly what I picked up from Sephora. Not too many things, but I gotta tell you again, bad location for that Sephora, but I'm just gonna have to try and get some self-control and walk past that Sephora and just keep going. You know? And so these are all the things that I picked up from Sephora. I picked up the Fentyskin, the 3-piece kit. This is all you need, and again, guys, trust me when I tell you it's going to work. And I love the fact that it comes in 2 sections. You just have to put the actual tube in here, and then you pump, and then your product is going to come out. And of course, this is the Morphe 18V palette, and of course I picked up 2 lip glosses, and that's it. And again, I'm going to leave these things in the description box for you guys, just in case you want to see what I got. I will definitely 100% encourage you guys to try the Fentyskin. If you want to have no pimples, no blackheads, clear skin, brighter skin, you need these products. Okay, on that note, this is the end of the haul for you guys. Thank you for watching again. Everything is going to be down below for you. Leave me your thoughts and your comments in the description box. I would love to hear from you guys. Thank you for watching. My name is Odette. I shall see you next time. Toodles!